We are here in Kisumu County, Chulaimbo Hospital. Behind me, you can see a solar power plant. It's been commissioned today, the 16th of April, 2026. So all the batteries that you're seeing on my right and my left are 20 high voltage batteries by Weco. Each of the batteries are 16 kilowatt hour and so have been sized at 80% depth of discharge, giving the hospital roughly around 256 kilowatt hours of power. Behind me also, you'll be able to see an 80 kilowatt high voltage hybrid inverter by Deye. This inverter is going to be able to power and charge all the batteries that you're seeing and will be able to give power during the day and charge the batteries for the night time. Not pictured or not videoed here are the 136 panels that have been roof mounted by us, which are 665 watts each, giving 90.44 kilowatts P at the behest of this hospital. So we would like to give a special thanks and a special notice to EDP Global for funding this project, working hand in hand with PV Tech here in Kenya to be able to give the hospital the opportunity to have uninterrupted and sustainable energy. Thank you.
So it's not only seeing the light of the day, but also the light of the light bulbs. That will be amazing. So thank you so much. I think it's amazing to have this reception, and I really hope that this project makes a big difference in the hospital operations, not only for patient work, but also for savings. I think it will be very important to invest again in the hospital, in the students that you have here. So let's hope it will be a success for you.
Thanks, Anna. This is good.